Hi, to get Spotify on your Google Pixel Watch free, all you have to do is to just press this crown first to open list of your apps. And now rotate this crown to go through the list. And here find Play Store. So after tapping it, we need to go all the way up and tap on this search bar. Go in voice input and say Spotify. Spotify. Tap check mark and then tap the search for this app. And now it appears in this list. So just tap it to select. And after that, simply click on this blue button install and wait a few seconds till it will be downloading. So as you can see, it starts to download. So all is left is to just wait a bit till we can open it. And now it has downloaded, so we can immediately open it from here, or we can go back in apps list and find our Spotify in this list. Here it is. Tap to open and then log in your Spotify account. And that's all. So if this video was helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.